Hi folks, welcome to another video from the Molten Motor Company. Just a little snippet into what we're doing today really. It's not a long video. We're just machine polishing this XJS, and then that's the last job. All the interior's been done, all detailed, wheels have been detailed, everything mechanically checked, underneath the bonnet's all been detailed, but we just thought we'd put a piece of masking tape down the middle of the bonnet and show you what we're doing today. Believe it or not, we've only done half the bonnet and it's taken us 3/4 of an hour. So looks like we've got a long night or afternoon and an evening ahead of us, because we've got the rest of the car to do, obviously, apart from the roof, because this is a convertible. The roof has been scrubbed and cleaned and waterproofed, hence why we've masked it all up to protect it from the dust. But yeah, this was the first panel that we touched today, and we will get it finished today and hopefully videoed tomorrow. The sales video will be out tomorrow, so you can see it a bit more in detail outside in the sunshine, hopefully, unless it's thunderstorming as predicted. But there you go, sapphire blue Celebration XJS 4 litre. But as you can see on the video, the left side of the bonnet hasn't been done. That's got washing scratches, bits of fallout, just oxidization. And then you can see the right hand side of the bonnet has been machine polished. Now we've done that quite a few times, and I'll show you very, very briefly on it. Excuse my workshop being so messy today. But so to start with, we use the 3M Fast Cut Extreme. That really gets it, into it and gets the paint softened, so we can start ironing some of them scratches out. Then we used the Menzana medium cut polish, which is number 2, and then we used the Super Finish Plus number 3 on the Menzana or Menzana, whichever you want to pronounce it. Then we used the 3M Fine Plus, Extra Fine Plus. We did give it a quick whip over with the Power Coat Ultra, which is like a 2-in-1, and then we just give it a hand wax with Poor Boy's Black Hole, which is like a show glaze. But yeah, a lot of work, a lot of chemicals. What have we done? We've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stage machine polish and a hand wax. And then this is the result. It looks fantastic, and the whole car's going to look absolutely mint. Like I say, we've just done the top of that wing and the bonnet, and that bit of scuttle up there. It looks fantastic compared to the other side. Now, when this car first came in, I didn't think it was going to take that much sort of machining really, but obviously, it has. It's all original paint. It's an old car. It's in fantastic condition, really, really straight. Virtually chip free. It's a fantastic car, and whoever gets it's going to have a real gem of a car. But like I say, we won't go too much on about that now, because we are going to do a sales video and we'll show you around every inch of it. But I just wanted to show you what work goes into preparing our cars. I'm sure most of you know what, or you can imagine or visualize what we have to do, but just to show you, you've got all those chemicals on the bench there. And a lot of time, like 3/4 of an hour, just to do that side of that bonnet, half the bonnet and the top of the wing. Crazy amount of time, but that's how long these cars take to get ready. A lot of people say, well, why do you spend 2 or 3 weeks on a car? Well, some cars need a lot of mechanical preparation, they need servicing, lots of suspension components, they need maybe new headliners put in, they'll need, like this car, all the hood cleaning, you've got all the detailing inside, you've got the engine bay to detail, but like you're into 2 days just machine polishing on a car this size with panels that big, going all the way around it, because obviously the next stage is to do this side of the bonnet and the wing top, then it'd be the front bumper, and then you've got, and if you can imagine, you're going around the car, and every part of the car, you're sort of tackling 5 times with the machine, with various different compounds and polishers, and just to get the result you want. So hopefully you've enjoyed that little bit of a snippet as to what we're doing today in the workshop on this particular car. It will be ready for sale, videoed by tomorrow afternoon. We've been running well behind time with this car. It's taken quite a lot of getting to how I want it. It was a lovely car, rust-free, but it's just taken quite a lot of getting through. Plus, we've had cars in and out of the workshop as well. So you won't have to wait much longer. Tomorrow, mid-afternoon, this car will be outside, videoed, photographed, and then put in the showroom next door. But I just thought I'd give you a quick insight. Hope you enjoyed the little video. Talk to you again soon. Thanks for watching.